So, you've just received your KEYVILBOARD Wi-Fi edition. In this video I will guide you through how to set this up and how easy it actually is to use it. So first off, once you receive it, you can just plug and play it in your system. Nothing weird will happen, it will just work as is. Once it is connected, the first thing you need to do is connect to the wireless access point it will create automatically. The password for this access point is keylogger, all lower caps, and it should, once my network adapter refreshes, always fun, yeah, there it is. You can connect to it. The password is already in my computer memory, so I can connect to it directly, but you won't. You have to type the password and that it's keylogger. So you just type in keylogger and then you can access the access point. Once you are connected, you can go into a new tab in your browser and you can go to the IP address 192.168.4.1. This is the IP address via which you can access the KEYVILBOARD. And you'll end up in this management interface. This management interface is quite straightforward, so you end up in at this home page. Here you can manage the KEYVILBOARD file, so you can clear it or you can download it, so then you'll get a TXT file. You can refresh the page here manually to check if anything has been typed in. You have a script section, so you can upload and store scripts which you then can execute. So this web interface is largely made by Spacehun, and he is the guy behind the Wi-Fi ducky. And when we were creating the keylogger, we thought, well, why don't we don't just as well create key injection features. So you can not only lock all the keys, you can also inject keys. So here you have the live screen with the instructions. There is a disclaimer though, this feature is still experimental and the chip that's on here is quite small, so you won't be able to execute big scripts, but you are able to execute small scripts. If you want to execute big scripts, you should just either buy a Wayhate Elite or flash the device entirely focused on live execution. Furthermore, when you go to the settings, you can change everything to your liking. So you can change the SSID, you can change the password, you can even change the channel. And one feature I really like is the hidden feature. So what this will do is basically it sets the Wi-Fi network to hidden. So no one will be able to directly see the name KEYVILBOARD when they look for network access points, but it will be hidden. So you'll have to add the network manually, put in the SSID and the password, and you'll be a lot more covered and a lot more under the radar. Nobody will just see the access point saying KEYVILBOARD or whatever name you choose. You can also enable to execute a script on startup, and you have a restart and a reset button right here as well. So just to give you a quick demo, I have a classical Dell keyboard right here, just plugging it in. Kijken, hoppa. Kijken. Let me just open a Word file. Yeah. There it is. So as you can see, I can type hoi, ik ben Thijs. This is Dutch for hi, my name is Matthew. You can see it right here, it has typed it. And when we go back to the page, we can enter, refresh, and you can see the keystrokes that were typed. You can also just clear this file. If this file gets too big or something, no problem, you can clear it and it's gone. So when I refresh again, all the files or all the keys are gone. So this is basically how you set it up, how you can use it quite quick. If you have any other questions, feel free to ask them via our email. The email address will be in the description. Or if you encounter any bugs or issues, please submit them into our GitHub page so we can improve on them. So thank you for watching. I hope I've cleared everything up and that you can use your KEYVILBOARD Wi-Fi edition to your liking.